Welcome back to Cooking Easy with Feezy, and today I'm gonna be making Gung. What I have here today is some wings and drumettes that I chopped up in half, some ginger, some habanero, and some minced garlic, okay? And some fish sauce, all right? Let's get to it. So in the pot, I got some sugar and some oil here, okay? That color, guys? Garlic. Minced garlic. Not minced ginger. Chopped up ginger, okay? I'm gonna start off with that first. Okay, adding the chicken. Okay, once it gets to this color, guys, add in some fish sauce. Add some fish sauce, okay? Good. Turn it around. Let it cook it up. Let it cook up in that fish sauce for a bit, okay? And then we'll add some water into it. Okay. After it's been cooking out for a while in this fish sauce here. Okay. Keep on doing thing. Let it coat. Okay. Alright. Just like that. Throw in some water. Not too high. That's just gonna be water there. Okay. Throw in some chili peppers so for some heat. Cover it up, let it bring up to boil for a bit. Okay. Guys, the final product should look like this, okay? It's reducing up really nicely, coloring up. I just re-seasoned it with a little more salt, a little sugar, okay? I'm just gonna let it reduce a little bit more, and then it should be good to go, okay? There you guys have it, yo. Yeah, Gung, right? Can't wait for this meal. Shit's juicy.